In the last video, we talked about the autocomplete widget that you can use in jQuery. In this video, we're going to review some more options that you can use with the autocomplete widget. Now, of course, we already talked about the source property, and so in this video, we'll review a few more properties that you can use. Now, one property I like is called autofocus. Now, let's go back to our text box, and let's type in D. And you can see there nothing is autofocus. Now, if you want the first item in the list to autofocus, you can use the autofocus property. So let's go ahead and add that. Now, you will remember if we want to add multiple properties, we simply need to use a comma to separate the properties. So that's what we'll do here. We'll just put in a comma. And then, of course, we need squiggly brackets for our new property. And what we're going to do is go ahead and type in autofocus. And then we're just going to go ahead and set that to true. So let's go ahead and save this and let's refresh our page and let's see what we get. So we'll go type in D again. And there you can see, look, Dallas is now highlighted. So that's how the autofocus property works. Now you can also set a delay in terms of how fast this list appears. Now you may want to set that if you don't want the results to display right away. Some users don't like that. They want some time to type in whatever it is they want to type in, and then the list will show appropriately. So let's go ahead and put in a delay now. So we just use the delay property. And let's put in a really long delay so that it's apparent. So we'll go ahead and set that to 3,000 milliseconds. So let's go ahead and save this. Let's refresh our page. And let's type in D. And it should take about 3 seconds. Yep, see how long that took? It took about 3 seconds. So that's how the delay property works with the autocomplete widget. Now we can also use the minimum length property. And what that does is it basically specifies the minimum number of characters that you want the user to type in before the list starts to appear. And the default, of course, is 1. But let's go ahead and we'll set that to 2. And you'll see what happens. And again, we'll set it to 2. So let's go ahead and we'll refresh our page. And now let's see what happens when we type one character first. Nothing happened, right? Now let's type in DE, and there we get Detroit. So that's how the minimum length property works. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.